So I am Rose Ann Ugbinada, one of the silver directors of Usana Philippines,
Wow.
and a former college instructor and DepEd high school teacher.
Wow.
So I've been doing Usana for almost 3 years,
Wow.
and I joined Usana because of my health, number one. Health for my family, especially for my parents, and then second is travel.
Wow. Ano
I
pa?
really want to travel. Kasi yung mga teachers, alam niyo na.
Pagod.
Oo, pagod. At saka yung card, yung ATM card, nandun na sa...
Nakaloan.
Oo, nakaloan na.
So,
Hindi ko gusto na maulit-ulit pa na mag-reload. Gusto ko na rin na
Passive income.
passive income, yes. And then, I want to help also my community.
Wow.
Especially in Couples for Christ, Gawad Kalinga. So,
Thank you
that
po.
is my purpose why I joined Usana.
Wow.